Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Mayur Kailas Masare. I am from Risod district Wasim. I have completed Bachelor of Pharmacy, Sant Gadge Baba Amaravati University, Amaravati. Today we are going to discuss about drug development and drug discovery introduction. Drug development and drug discovery is any chemical substance which is used treatment, cure, prevention of disease is now a drug. Drug discovery is the process of identifying and developing new medication to treatment disease. Drug development is the process of bringing new pharmaceutical drugs into market. Lead compound of identify. Drug discovery and drug development is four stage. In first stage in target identification, second in target validation, third in lead discovery, and fourth lead optimization. Drug discovery and drug development in first stage in target identification. Target identification is the process of identifying the specific biological, molecular, or cellular pathway then can drug produce therapeutic effect. And second stage in target validation, it is the process of confirm that a biological molecules is directly involved disease in effectively by a drug. In third lead discovery, it is the process of finding chemical compound can be developed into the drug in lead discovery. And fourth lead optimization, process is improving compound properties to make it safety and effective drug development and drug discovery in five stage. It is the process of pharmaceutical drugs in market. Lead compound in identify. Drug development and drug discovery is the five main part. In first in preclinical studies, second in regulatory approval, third in clinical trials, fourth in regulatory approval, and fifth post marketing surveillance. In first stage in preclinical studies, is animal testing to evaluate and efficiency. Second in regulatory approval, submission preclinical data to regulatory bodies and approval. In third in clinical trials, testing in human in phase trials, assess safety, efficacy, and doses. Regulatory approval in post clinical regulatory approval, review of clinical trial result and final approval market of the drug. In fifth is a post marketing surveillance. Post marketing surveillance is a launching the drug and monitoring its long term safety and effectiveness. Next is a preclinical studies. Preclinical study is a investigation studies conducted by animals. In next is a CPCSEA Committee of the Purpose, Control and Supervision of Experiment and Animal Regulatory, Ethical and Animal in Research. In last is a clinical trials. Clinical trials are research study conducted by human and evaluate a safety, patient potential side effect, a new drug treatment, medical device. In a clinical trial phase, drug discovery and drug development in clinical trial phase is a phase in five phase. In five phase 0 is a mirror dosing. Phase first is a safety evaluation. Phase second is efficacy evaluation. Phase third is a ensuring efficiency and safety. And phase 4 is a post marketing in surveillance. In first phase 0, also known as human mirror dosing studies conduct with efficacy preclinical studies. In phase second, phase first is a clinical pharmacological evaluation in 20 to 50 healthy Holty trace. Phase second is a control clinical evaluation, 50 to 300 patient in control signal technique. In phase third is a extend clinical trials, most expensive and time consuming, to 50 to 1000 patient with safety efficacy comparison of the drug. And phase 4 is a post marketing surveillance and adverse drug reaction monitoring, pharmacovigilance. Thank you.